So in this video, we're going to try and address the question, is there really a problem with private networks? So some parts of the telecom industry seem to think that mobile private networks are failing as a driver of new growth. But is this fair? STL Partners believes that this market is actually showing very respectable growth. And we've not felt a need when we've updated our forecast to significantly downgrade our expectations. But maybe that's because our forecasts were always somewhat on the realistic side. So we believe that the whole global private network market revenue stood at around $1 billion in 2024. And we expect to see a CAGR of around 60% for the period from 2024 to 2030. It's important to note that in this figure, we're considering the whole of the private network value chain. So yes, you've got RAN equipment and RAN software and core software, but we're also considering MEC platform, edge infrastructure, integration and support, and of course, the application side. So that's applications and end devices. So if we were just talking about the purely networky parts of it, we'd be talking about something smaller, but still the growth is strong and it is expected to accelerate, or at least for some members of the market. Others are sadly going to lose out. But if there is this good growth available, why is there all the doom and gloom? Well, there's a number of reasons for that. 2 to 3 years ago, hype was rife, and parts of the industry were setting wildly unrealistic growth expectations. So some realism is required and some patience is required. This is classic hype cycle stuff. Those inflated expectations are naturally disappointed, and maybe the market is not going to get as big as some expected, and maybe it's not going to get there as quickly as they were hoping for. But as I said, those hopes were unrealistic, so we need a dose of realism and patience. But it's not only that. Some players in the market are already satisfied with the growth that they're seeing, although their biggest challenge is still figuring out how to scale. The telcos and vendors who are feeling the most disappointed with the market are the ones who are missing the boat. They need to adapt their positioning and carve out their place. If you'd like to know more about the research STL Partners have done to help advise operators and vendors how to carve out that place and also to overcome those scaling barriers and overall understand this market better and understand this opportunity better, then please visit the Private Networks Hub on our website or get in touch.